Alright, what's happening? Happy Monday, guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is Adidas track pants. This one is the Adidas Breakaway track pants. I'm not sure what they call breakaway or tearaway. Anyway, let me give you the description real quick. This is Adidas revamps a 1990s track style for modern day. The Adidas Breakaway track pants have a front zip pocket, and then has a full-length snap button panel on the sides. The solid color track pants, Adidas branding, 3-stripe detailing, side zip pockets, 100% recycled polyester, tricot. This is machine washable, regular fit, elastic waist, full snap button side closure. Okay, so let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. Anyway, we went to Citydale, and then at first my son found a large and extra large, and after that we went to the fitting room, and he was trying them on, and I was trying some other style apparel from Adidas outlet store. And after that, I got out the fitting room and I saw the exact pants, and then it was there were two of them. So after that, I went to the rack and then just checked them out, and somehow I found this medium size, because I was trying another pants that was extra large. Somehow the length fit, but the waist was way too big. So he was glad that I copped this for him, because he tried on the large. Although the length fits pretty nice, but the waist area is too big. So let's go ahead and get this out of there. So this is the black one right here. And you got this nice drawstring, draw cord, whatever you call it. Okay. And this one, somehow the tag's not here, but this one is the $80 one. That is Adidas. US size medium. And you got this elastic waistband. Wow. Oh my God. So this one is compared to the other one I just did the unbox, the tearaway. This is, I guess, this is breakaway. So yeah, this is what you could even break away on the very top section, which is kind of surprising, because I did unbox for the red one, and then the top two button is you cannot break away or tear away, and this it comes with this zip pockets. Wow. So anyway, this one you got a deep pocket, and it also comes with a zipper. The red one that I just did, the pocket is kind of shallow. Okay. And this one, you got this embroidery right here, Adidas brand embroidery on. Okay, got your 3 brand stripes right here on the side of your leg, all the way down. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total of 9 buttons, same as the red one. There's no zipper on your the front. Wow. So same go with on the right hand side. And you got this zipper again. It's pretty deep. Wow. So yeah, you gotta be careful when you wear this. Sometimes my son say it snap open pretty easily. Oh yeah, it depends on what angle you try to pop it out. So you want to wear shorts under there just in case it pop open accidentally. Okay. So somehow this one was $39.99, and it says buy one get the second one 50% off. Oh, I forgot to mention earlier the red one. We didn't pay full retail price. It was like $80, but somehow I believe it was like $60. So we ended up getting this one for like $20. Okay. So yeah, go check it out on the outlet store. This was a better price than the one at the PacSun. PacSun, they sell $80 plus tax. So yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can still find it. I believe there are some other large and extra large left. So hopefully you guys go shop around. Depends on your city or your area. Just browse around and see what you guys could find. All right. So anyway, this will be conclude today's video. Hopefully you guys like the unboxing video, and then if you guys are new, please subscribe, and then be sure to turn on the bell for notification so you guys won't miss out any of the new and latest unboxing video or repair guide or anything like that. So share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any other comments down below. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Be sure to check out the next clip for the try on or wear on. All right. I always peace out, guys.